welcome to my channel. NETGEAR Nighthawk M7 Setup 2026, Easy Wi-Fi 7 Hotspot Setup. Step 1. Unbox your Nighthawk M7. Take the NETGEAR Nighthawk M7 out of the box and make sure you have the hotspot, battery, USB-C cable, and any included accessories ready. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. If your M7 requires a physical SIM, insert the compatible SIM card carefully into the SIM slot. Make sure it is seated correctly before powering on the device. Step 3. Install the battery. Place the battery inside the hotspot and attach the back cover. If the battery is already installed, simply move to the next step. Step 4. Turn on the M7. Press and hold the power button until the screen lights up. Give the hotspot a moment to start and connect to the mobile network. Step 5. Check the cellular signal. Look at the M7 display for the mobile signal indicator. Move to an area with better cellular coverage if the signal is weak or the device cannot connect. Step 6. Connect your phone or laptop. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, tablet, or other device. Find the Wi-Fi network name shown on your Nighthawk M7 and enter the password displayed on the hotspot. Step 7. Open the NETGEAR interface. Once connected, open a web browser or use the supported NETGEAR management option to access the hotspot settings. This lets you manage Wi-Fi and connection preferences. Step 8. Customize your Wi-Fi settings. Change the Wi-Fi name and password if you want a more personal network. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 9. Connect your other devices. After saving the settings, reconnect your phone, computer, smart devices, or other equipment using the new Wi-Fi details. Check that each device has a stable internet connection. Step 10. Test your internet connection. Open a few websites or run a speed test to make sure everything is working properly. If the connection is slow, check your cellular signal and try moving the M7 closer to a window or a location with better coverage. Thanks for watching.